So in this video, we're going to find the fourth root of 14,600 to one decimal place. Now, when we've been working out the square root, that's been okay. The cube root has certainly been more involved. The fourth root is quite involved indeed. To which, if you were asked to just estimate the fourth root of 14,600, figuring out what that's closest to as an integer is probably what they're asking you to do in an exam scenario. But me being the glutton for punishment, I'm going to work out what this is to one decimal place in this video. It's all good practice, isn't it? And I'm just going to make sure I know what it is to one decimal place. Okay? So, first of all, is spotting that 10 to the power of 4 is 10,000. Okay, now 11 to the power of 4, I don't know what that is off the top of my head. So, I know that 11 squared is 121. So if I multiply 121 by 121, then that will be 11 to the power of 4. So we have 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 1, bringing a 0, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1s, then bring in 2 zeros, 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 1. Add those results together, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So actually, 11 to the 4 is only 41 higher than 14,600. So that means the answer is very close to 11. So if you were just being asked to estimate the fourth root, 14,600, it's approximately equal to 11. Okay? And that's where we would stop. Okay? So, I'm not going to stop there though, because I want to work it out to one decimal place. Now, my gut feeling is that because it's so close, that the answer is likely to be 11.0. Now, ordinarily, I would look at 10.9 to the power of 4. But I can pretty much guess that 10.9 to the power of 4 will be less than the 14,600, in which case it will just tell me what I know. It's between 10.9 and 11.0. So, I'm actually going to go past that, and I'm going to go straight to 10.95. Because that's what I would have to check after that. Now, if I find out that 10.95 to the power of 4 is less than 14,600, then I know the answer is between 10.95 and 11, which means that to one decimal place, it's 11.0. Okay? So, that's what I'm going to do. So, 10.95 times 10.95. I'm going to have to work that out first, and then when I get my result, I'm going to square that. So 5 5s are 25. 9 5s are 45 plus the 2, 47. 0 times 5 plus the 4. 1 times 5 is 5. Bring in a 0. 9 5s are 45. 9 9s are 81 plus the 4 is 85. 0 times 9 plus the 8. 1 times 9. Bring in 2 zeros. 0 times each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring in 3 zeros. 1 times each of those, so 5, 9, 0, 1. Add those 4 results together. 5, 12, 9, 10, 13, 18, 19. 9, 9, and 1 is 19. 1, 1. 4 numbers to the right of the decimal point, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 119.9025. So that is the number that I now need to multiply by itself. 119.9025. 5. Okay. So let's see what we get. 5 5s are 25. 2 5s are 10 plus the 2 is 12. 0 times 5 plus the 1. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 1 times 5 plus the 4. 1 times 5. Right, bring in a 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus the 1 is 5. 2 zeros. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18 plus the 1 is 19. 2 times 1 plus the 2 is 3. 2 times 1. Right, bring in 2 zeros. So we're now multiplying that through by 0. So that's 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring in 1, 2, 3 zeros this time. So 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 2 is 18, plus the 2 is 22. 9 times 0 plus the 2. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 9 is 81, plus the 8 is 89. 9 times 1 plus the 8 is 17. Then we've got 9 times 1 plus the 1, so that's 10. Okay. Right, now we need to bring in 4 zeros. Now, because I multiplied through by 9 in the previous round, I'm multiplying through by 9 again, so I can just copy those numbers down. So that makes my life a little bit easier. 5, 2, 2, 1, 9, 7, 0, 1. Okay, so now I've got 5 zeros. Right, 1 times each of those, so that's quite easy. 5, 2, 0, 9, 9, 1, 1. 6 zeros. Okay. And again, 5, 2, 0, 9, 9, 1, 1. Right, add all those together then. So we have 5, 2, 6, 10, 17, 19, 24, 25, 18, 20, 22, 27, 29, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 20, 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 25, 26, 7, 16, 25, 27. We've got 2, 4, 13, 3, 4, and a 1. So we have 8 numbers to the right decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10.95 to the power of 4 is 14376.609,506.25. So because that result is below the 14,600, that must mean that the fourth root of 14,600 has to be between 10.95 and 11. And that is a number that rounds to 11.0 to 1 decimal place. Now, as I said, very unlikely that they're going to get you to do something like that in an exam, because it's just, it just takes too long, and it's just cranking the handle. So, in all likelihood, it's really determining which integer that fourth root is going to be closest to, and in this case it would have just been 11.